BelAir Nomad. It is beautiful.
Oh yeah, like the stuff we usually do. Yeah, I'm the blue challenger. Hey, I used to do when I lived in New York. That was my favorite.
I'm a blue challenger at home.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
That's great. I love that color.
I do
afford
too.
that.
Yeah. That's an indigo blue.
That's B1.
Oh, okay.
That's a 16. It only came out for a few years. That's actually a 1971